was lost in confusion, didn't understand how to measure these shapes in my hand. But Mr. Gamboa, he broke it down clear. Base times height divided by 3. Now I'm here. From the bottom to the tip, it's tapering high, rising up like a prayer to the sky. There's a reason it comes to a point. Can't you see? It's the pathway to truth. And now I believe. Every up, base times the high, divided by 3. You'll get it right. Pyramids and cones, tapering down. Volumes of victory pass it around. Come on and shout it. Base times high, divide by 3. That's the formula. That's how the Lord said. It's free. Hallelujah. Every cone that rises, every pyramid tall,